Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add or to put two databases in side by side in your pages in Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Notion desktop application, or you can just connect to your Notion account in the Notion web portal or website. After that, I want you to follow these simple steps. So basically here I have this empty page that I have just created, and now I'm going to add things to let our databases to be put in side by side. So basically I'm just going to type a slash, or you can just add or click on the plus button here and search for columns. So I'm going to add columns and click on these columns, and here I'm having two columns put in side by side. And as you guessed right, now for each column we are going to add a database. So either you are going to link a page and it will link your database, or I'm going here, in my case I'm going just to add my database here, and in the second column I will have another database here. So basically, these two databases are pages, and at the same time, in my main page are here put it side by side. So I can start editing on my template here or page. So let's just giving you an example. I'm going to add a template. So let's have this reading list. Let's do like that and go here on my main page. I'm going to delete, for example, this one. I'm going to delete this here, and I'm going to try to put in all these in two columns so I can show you. So basically I'm going to add the columns here. My pages have been deleted because I need to add them again. So reading list, and I want them to be added in my column. So basically I will just put this one here, and now they are in two columns, different columns. And as you can see, now I have my databases that are side by side, and I can add another one. For example, let's have this one that is open in inline to inline, and I'm having my databases that is put here in the first column. And for example, I can create another one. So let's type slash database inline, and I having the second one in side by side of this one. So basically this is how you put databases side by side in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.